Yes, of course. The time now is legal matters with Fortwell Solicitors. Yene lawyer Dan Koi ebetwin komo. Tell a friend to tell a friend say lawyer atna say. Okay, ane a man for. Yeah, kika o. Wunya lawyer bone ya.
Ebe.
Eti se wedi dia na mokodo bebre wo mu hwene mu nyina na be free nsuo. Enti ebeko ni ama lawyer akwaba. But before that na kai na bo hu de rule say ye will live e wo YouTube. Sanso and ye wo TUNEIN and ye wo Facebook. Unya type GN Radio UK pepe ye wo. Maka chow say wo subscribe pepe me make sure say me ametua wo ka de for GN Radio UK. Wo subscribe pepe do man na wo ho no a ye notification bibia no benye bi. Enti anope tell a friend to tell a friend na mon share video no na enkofa na wonu bia eye mmeremu nsensem wo question bi no onu nso entimi friend wo mbusa ye numbers no menyini ni lawyer start a ye bie dada utimi send wo voice note and wo questions na lawyer answer ho eye question times na jamunya answers na emfree eye lawyer Daniel Coy ye WhatsApp no eye 0778 793 9958 Makajo Sabrina Abrina uhiya lawyer to say the here doctor no. Men train ma assembly into one son abaka sa ko paper lawyer ehwe na kwa konya lawyer boni bi avonti ndi wasem fa ma wo. Eba no Fortwell Solicitors a omo de omo ye ekunini ewo emeremu papa. Na so ni. Woma bene pa. Na so wato. Intimisrewa bomodia na koye Facebook sisia me no kase na ye eye lawyer Dan Koi entwetwe eye enkomo efa eye emremu ensensem eno ntie beko ne ye lawyer ama lawyer akwaba na ye no atwetwe eye enkomo ena no pay. Yes lawyer, good morning. Ye mo akwaba eba GN Radio FD so
me joso na me chia wetie for anopa we ni
etiefo nso eje wo so kama lawyer no obi bebusa se na de na wo epono so because matititi nsem ni bebre efa immigration ho nsensem ye de ekọ yemfa yenko ebum susu busa efa no EU nsensem akosisen ye free mu kra na betumi akofam yere ne me bi de aba che sensem ni de edoso lawyer ene yi hwani na yehwe na yinini nkomo
yo medasi bebre se yetimi abeka ho ene o program no so na say dia o kan no no questions ni dia bebre wo EU whether say ye ko anaye ko so a obetimi akofa o kafo aba na betimi akofa busu afo aba no amunse semini ano ene yebesheda na church mu eye na enkofu ehu dia omobetimi aye omo and then so me were two topics we were on no man and yeah adoma like I said maybe one of the main topics BBI frame no fee waiver home office last week yeah on publishing new guidance regarding one person application for fee waiver no because of recent cases about one person or fee waiver. That's a fee waiver because of application, but if you are now nisika fees, you know, all my publishing new guidance, I think say very helpful. For no a best share and then another thing. So I'm personally for next year. And remember, acquire a year application that you use to enquire every year application. The application it's not compulsory because of Omumba na ebi hono so na akwala involved in any panankasa eba ebipa ebi hono na ono step parents na ohwe akwala no bi hono na we grandparents a we akwala no e kwan ben na ubetimi afa so ede sa akola no aye application na aye successful when mra wunya any issues nti eno so se kwan be mu a eno so meto ebo na ma cheche mu ene de I believe say a very very part section mo wetie na mo tinya share so na be and na obi nso etimi a benefit from the program no.
Yo lawyer we dey yem fan sha say ye fee waiver no na yem free ho ne start mu sebusemu questions ne yem fa ye WhatsApp questions ni bi kra na a start a eba no.
Yo fee waiver no very very important. We are I believe say Kofwa almost take advantage, will take advantage of it. But it's important as you say in Kofwa the circumstances, any types of applications are qualify for fee waiver. No, so we share applications are here. Common applications are a work on a year, 5-year parent and partner route. 5-year parent and partner route. Most times I'll be qualified for any of those routes. We expect we juma na unya some salary be and as a minimum income be 18,600. And yes, also we expect some savings be. Until Ushemu be and Kofu be no. It will be difficult for them to prove say omu ni sika omu betua sa home office fees but say share guidance omu dia beya na omu cheche mu say obi wo hono ma na oye djuma de obi wo hono ma na omiti sa income threshold but or qualify because for just some sort of benefits be or system ni mu a bia or qualify for. If that is the case even though nipa no was a 5-year parent and a partner route, waiting a application for fee waiver. No. Another thing more established was our guidance which is and yes specifically say a be a nipa no onisika with your home office fees in ya obi on mana o sika kakwa waiting me to be but on to me to any here. We also waiting to your home office fees but on to me into your health surcharge, which is about £1,000 extra for most people are on more year application. If you are doing good to your health surcharge, now with your home office, that's the kind of economy be break. Internet for conform between me for the TAP, I want to mean to any still no home office won't have a duty say mobile consider application for fee waiver if possible or mobile manner I go through. Now, year application under the 10-year parent, partner, and a private life route. Almost bit me I qualify for fee waiver, and if they can establish say I believe say and only very 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 important, and a lot of people will be able to benefit, especially amount for juma because what I say now say currently no unye ejuma. A very, very difficult say would they will pay slips and now do bank statements and also any of those documents in the ever into for more year application for the first time. It is always worth it say over considers over as our application for fee waiver. If we lawyer your application on the catch also only once a muka Mr. of a phone number na friend we can do it for you because it's a lot of savings. It's about £2,000 and over. Any person or your application or where you use a procedure and a benefit and take advantage of. Every person be a 10-year route application, especially if a first timer. May encourage you say we'll be taking advantage of this new guidance and why your application for fee waiver because it is worth it. Now another type of application and so on people can benefit from a year or more year application for discretion. Why application for asylum in the past year refusing TCR or person year application for discretionary say based on ABL so say or qua but ABL person mobile apply mobile approve asylum application and discretionarily almost to year application using fee waiver route and a fee waiver form say they are almost year fees in a year war or more victims of trafficking and access slavery and no in community and share that any common, but a wohono obi wohono ma yakofa ne fifie nye de naba nipa na wakofa na aba no or na share mo or money train ticket or money phone or money into kwani or man on you bia enkasa. These are people who can be said say they are victims of slavery. Now say they are victims of trafficking. Obi wohono ma all these circumstances, you may think say it does not qualify for trafficking and access slavery issue, but idea it's me qualify for because those people almost be more say because of my own application now or they renewing in Krata and application. What Home Office are saying is if you fall into any of those circumstances now, it's possible say obey application for when 2000 and over out of application. What they are trying to do is say we don't want money to be a barrier for individuals and answer for people or person or application. As soon as they decide say they want to make an application, we want them to have the ability say or waiting taking it forward. For instance, what about Chrome has said, the only thing that prevents us of the application here because of Sikasem, there must and preventive guidance here very clear. It is open. They've stated the circumstances are waiting to qualify. I believe that people will need to take advantage of it. But I must warn people say, obviously, almost be in the conditions be a couple and sample for a channel so because it may affect amount for what they are saying is so we application it is very, very, very important. Say you will make full disclosure and answer you will tell them the full facts of your case into me and say ABA or bank accounts bear and answer 4B now what they back up about trouble now that the other banks the accounts in the ODSCA so that they don't see because application for fee waiver now we need to see 6 months financial statements. 6 months financial statement. Any bank account be one very, very, very important. Say you will show it because we share guidance. You might almost say checks may be undertaken with agencies such as HM Revenue and Customs, the Department for Work and Pensions, Equifax to verify information we provide the internal Utimika will be say, your application or 2 bank account. Now we provide the 1 bank account. On the credit file, so now you have other bank accounts there that you haven't disclosed there to them, and this can affect your application. Apart from the fact that it may affect your application, what they have also said is that it may affect future applications on grounds of suitability because we come on trial. And now, if we say we come on trial, so now they find out and so on, me a report to the police and other enforcement agencies are on the tries on the remove if you could say internet may warn in America and then program no one say yes acquire that on mama for say if you don't have the money out of it here or application Diana fee waiver and available which means take advantage of it but Mesrewa and Sana will be making sure say obey full disclosure the crabby a woman be a bank statement say fabric and more than Africa because Home Office for everything you have normal checks and they make the checks and they find out say we can try apart from the fact that everything affected or current application and possible affected applications.
Yo lawyer na just me tie we idea so first nanka 5 years 5-year partner route now there was no fee for a free waiver but then the emrana abano you can have access for a free waiver.
Oh yes, now say the main concern now what time fee waiver COVID-19 issue started by was the fact so application under 5-year routes now yes fee waiver now best switch to 10-year route because didn't have met certain things but clarify circumstances are obia over 5-year route may be able to qualify for fee waiver without having to pay a fee. They're very, very important. At least once the clarity is there, we all know what needs to happen for anybody to benefit from sa fee waiver. And obi or 5-year route. So if that individual it decided say, at this stage, me percent me year fee waiver, then we expect to say obey some sort of benefits. Means if you are worry crown puna so no or crown puna a partner and a just benefits now, then it means to say nipa never qualify for sa application. Into what we are saying is say a sense of clarity in the circumstances now I say. And Ushe guidance, so they have made it clear say so we hear application for fee waiver and no in your application say ubetina krum hana say and on your application for leave to remain. Into the people should not assume say, my year the application for fee waiver maybe two forms of application is for a year. So we hear application for fee waiver no. Then later on, more approve we do application for leave to remain and kasa etu. This is something that people need to understand. So we dream and I say if your financial circumstance means say so we yes a fee waiver application. Say time we leave enough room for time I'll be application for fee waiver na approval on the beba. Anytime I the application and kasa bedding. So that it doesn't become so close to the extent say by the time I bring a decision if he home office for the whole now won't crack and answer won't be useful and no say be application for fee waiver now man from back and until a man me application because everything affects which my gap about that on crack and mama be illegal for a certain period of time. Another good news we have spotted our new guidance the part say we hear application the crown na bia sikasem anyway ya ubetimi crown a request say home office for more than 2.5 years now or more than amount for no until there may be some circumstances or more issue further guidance that we'll be going into as the weeks come along no say obi wo ho no ma ohwe na 2.5 years na more than no wow because of Sikasem, probably me catch home office or say, be your 3 years visa, and as a 3.5 years, and a 4 years, and you can make that request in your application. A very, very, very important aspect are added to start. I think say with time, we will see how that operationalized. I will use to at the amount for into what person we application there under any of these. So we understand say it is possible say ubetimi ISRD way, but I must add say there are certain other type of applications we honor and no and qualify for fee waiver. A B actually say indefinite leave to remain. Indefinite leave to remain, any application qualify for fee waiver. Also we application for naturalization. Untimi and qualify for fee waiver. These are people they will need to make sure say payment has been made and signed on by any application.
Yo, any Mikhail say once you to me afre ewo Yahoma so 0778 793 9958. Lawyer wa haide wangasa efa wa question bra. Lawyer, ma membo voice note ya yensa ken na yemfa fee waiver no ento aso na obi busa say how do you get a fee waiver for from the home office? And another question is to say, does waived means free? But before my memfa inti voice note na yeba na questions na everybody does, but my member quickly we informa lawyer na lawyer inti.
Me patcho me question kakra me pese me bisa ne say last week me tie lawyer na obi or can say say apply say be ye no recourse to public fund free so bank statements of all your of all the members of your household and now they beka ho na me patcho me situation and me madam for fie me ne madam for nete na mene memma metime produce bank statement of mene nkwala ni nyina, but if madam fono is not willing to give the bank statement and patcho ebeye problem na obetro letter anyway, but or so on you're willing to give the bank statement and patcho say ebe ha adwen a me da se nyame nhira mo nyina bye.
Lawyer Patrick, say what here?
Yo,
okay.
A very important question regarding the issue of members of your household. Yeah, because members of your household it may be so only obiti move back on the same address, but the person is not about your household because of the way our crew has said there was shared flats near there. You know, ebia only ojomenu makojidan eba na munyamu team. Munyamu usually the same address, but say as one members of your household, may not be a member of household. The member of your household would be your partner. I want in the war and the womba. I want in a share a live life basically. You know, say what's wadan for be a fear, wadan for be a mountain. Say it's na honoma, and you necessarily say wadan for no will have to review the bank such an application. Into she's right. If not that no, yeah, willing say or man a letter na or the account, it is up to Nipana or your application and say obey explaining the clearly in the living circumstances or woman and share new guidance. See grandpa or Modia Bana, they have put in place some almost say evidential flexibility. Into evidence, it is not strict say for A, B, C, D, bra and sana. Yeah, they pattern and as you have said, the fee waiver and amount. They have put in place some flexibility. People will have to be able to explain almost personal circumstances. We will know none of one train. Okoje food bank, okoje charity, okoje ebiankrofo na support. If those letters in eba more than enough, any problem for any and say binya salad and if you for that kind of application.
Just said lawyer me tell you and just say possible sir Emma sister here was sending a voice note.
Very possible.
Yo, any my memfa my brand here on also sending a text message, a WhatsApp message. I was a morning lawyer. Kindly help me with this question. I want to switch my 2.5 years limited to leave to remain on a sole responsibility to 5-year route based on my British child. It is okay to do the English test B1 or B2 when switching. Is it okay to do the English test B1 or B2 when switching, since I want to use the same test to do my indefinite when the time comes? Thanks.
Yo, and also a good point and a good question because it comes up quite frequently. One thing I always advise my clients handle they say English test now remember say every time we be our application we will require an English test evidence. The way we say which level of English test evidence need say if we school semono ekonenim kakra na sebe cultural exams na any problem mawa. I always advise people say they should do the highest English test as possible because once they use it, they can reuse it again and again and say indefinitely to remain. Into the Yeniana Obisa question, the answer is yes. Do the highest exams that you can possibly pass and then use it for your application because Obi backroom has an Obi back 2.5 years application. The first time I obeyed 2.5 years, we expect say Obenya level A1. I'm talking about almost 5-year routes because what 10-year routes, there's no need for you to get English language test. I don't know. I'm a town who's in mistake. Now we talk about it. Sometimes we laugh over it, but so we're very, very aware. Say, and yet 2.5 years visa bia and English test. Almost more year 5-year routes. First one, we here level A1. Or second one, we here A2. Then Now we expect to say ubenya B1. Into what I'm telling people is a try say ubenya the most difficult one and the highest one. Say you don't need to do it. And you have to understand, say, if you are normal, they know say test it expires. Okay. But say when you use that test in the previous application, then it will not expire. Wait me say hey, you should do in your next application. Into the we yet test that's when you use 2 years back, it has expired. However, so we get tested and that's what we use. You can reuse it in your next application. Until the end, you have better not be shy, and there is yes, you'll be now use those tests, and they will save you about £100 or more every application. Because you don't need to do a new one. Wait, me reuse. You start testing.
Your lawyer, young call a Facebook wall, no, a Frank was sending a question be na yen ready. I say, good morning, lawyer. Please, when will biometric centers reopen for my spouse visa? For my spouse visa application, as I'm waiting to put it in. My wife, as I'm waiting to put in my wife's application. Currently, she's in Ghana waiting. Thanks.
Home Office for visa centers, recently they have made an announcement on the 19th of June. Announcement said they are going to reopen most of their visa centers gradually, depending on the circumstances of any individual country. For instance, local websites, so there are a lot of countries where visa centers are BA, and then there are others are BA. Unfortunately for war Accra and also for application Accra mostly it has not been open, but other countries have been open. I think whether some BA centers now it depends on circumstances and what that country normal circumstances or country it allows to say they open it or they open it. I say Accra Center it is still not open. Michelle now and what has say Accra is still not part of it. Mention say it should keep on going on the website, TLS website, to check whether maybe another be. I must assure them say more and more trains on BBA centers, say who you sue lawyer, especially Fortwell Solicitors in your application and as soon as you better say maybe a center we will get in touch, we'll let you know, and then we'll try and book you appointment for you. Say they'll wait to me across submit to application. But and now I know we can say the train and say any train.
Yo, and you better train there. Young court now I'm for Aurelia on us was sending the WhatsApp message. Dear lawyer, please, I'm filing an online application form to extend my 2.5 years spouse visa under Appendix FLRM. I came across the following questions about non-applying children. Do you have children? I said yes. So I filled my British child's details. After that, I came to other non-applying children. I started to fill in the details of my other non-applying child who is in Ghana and has never been to UK. But there was a question about when he entered UK, including date. What should I do? The non-paying children, is it referring to only children in UK or both children in UK and Ghana?
If you see, first and foremost, say Nipane Freya and maybe question back will say Enqualano Omediahen. Because I have seen over the few months and I say yes, it's a Ghana no you can say children grandpa you have be same nani pano we do more than 18. Okay, you have we do 21 we do your sister children one if independent the more than 18 I don't expect say or these are details in the ever show. I have also realized say the online application system when they ask you those questions now they want to know when they entered there ideally if Nipano in UK has say it is better say obey part if you now work as a no so that it will allow you to move on to the next stage into best way obetimi proceeding with that application without having any problems.
Yo, lawyer, my member, voice note na yen fantuaso. We also was sending a voice note, na member na yen fantuaso.
One and only Dr. Rain, good morning. My one and only Professor Lawyer Dankwe. Yadam was near my palm Bomaga.
So where they are going to
but me just stand listener of your program, me team there be and I'm question and best me busaka cry. Pacho, case will be by a friend child versus the upper tier tribunal, no immigration 2020. No say dependency cannot be breaking and resurrected. And here be the case, when you are back, or depending on the cousin, so no dinner resident card. Last year, any demand EU resident card. Now, me busa say, she say now or apply for EU settlement scheme, say there are certain man, preset in the manner. I also dependence in the tour so for the 5 years now. I also know saying in Sikano, nan address this that for 5 years, no answer indefinite now because. Appendix E, it says to check who and what 5 years and the amount. Simza say, address no say the cat and year for 5 years now still a busa member of the household and dependents cannot transfer man and answer the cat and a man because the things and the cat no Johnson or Kogana February. And up to now, Yalena Kokana Shahonum, Kurudan into Untimi mind, only dependence never breaky. Then I want someone to say. Second question is to say or account to me, na the thing said the cars in the transfers can tum and only because a UFC can be a firm and I was a no quan and I say vivid me firm. But to make my brief a cry, that's it.
Yo, lawyer.
Na line ni mu enye kakra but wait me so oti ni ya wait me
and for my member Minsam Bonnie BM na tea na
good morning, my one and only Dr. Rain. Good morning, my one and only Professor Lawyer Dankwe. Yadam was near my palm Boma Ghanaian community now. But me just stand listener of your program, me team there be and I'm question and best me busaka cry. Pacho, case law be by a friend child versus the upper tier tribunal, no immigration 2020. No say dependency cannot be breaking and resurrected. And here be the case, when you are back or depending on the cousin, so no dinner resident card. Last year, any demand EU resident card. Now, me busa say, she say now or apply for EU settlement scheme, say there are certain man, preset in the manner. I also dependence in the tour so for the 5 years now. I also know saying in Sikano, nan address this that for 5 years, no answer indefinite now because appendix E, it says to check who and what 5 years and the amount. Simza say, address no say the cat and year for 5 years now still a busa member of the household and dependents cannot transfer man and answer the cat and a man. Because the things and the cats no Johnson or Kogana February and up to now, Yalena Kokana Shahonum, Kurudan into Untimi mind, only dependence never breaky. Then I want someone to say. Second question is to say or account to me, na the thing said the cats in the transfers can tum and only because a UFC can be a firm and I was a year no quan and I say vivid me firm. But to make my brief a cry, that's it.
Yo, me that say so for Uniana or Sunday message, a very interesting question. Evidence to say, the reason why I am then is just this week, almost published a new case be a friend Chowdhury, extended family members dependency. Which what they did is almost try to clarify this issue to do with dependency in extended family members, where that's a bear continuous and I say it's a break in it. And yet necessarily the strict sense case law amabosi any regulations this dependency in a buy and yet necessarily say a bear continuous. So you are because of the circumstances, there might be a break or or 2 during that 5-year period. What is most important in it? At least most of the time, most of the 5 years, we can show proof say now we depend on EU family member now or file buy. Example or the man say Abia Niniano Ako Ghana and because of COVID-19, Wakoka El Ghana into Ontini Empire. That will mean say what's not Ghana for Abia about 3-4 months are on by or banner of the sponsor. Will it be a problem? No, it will not be a problem because there's a reasonable explanation as to why that break occurred. COVID way affecting brain, and I will be very surprised that Home Office will not understand the circumstances breaking up, and based on that, they were going to punish the person. What normally happens with extended family members are causing problems with brain here. Say, obi ohonoma ne ebusuani no akofa no efi Ghana aba ana na ebusuani aye application ama no wa beka no ho ewa ha no ubehwe no na onyasbia ejuma na wetu efifie ho na there's been a separation. If that happens till the time nipa no beko akoye an application indefinite na, then it is going to affect them. But if there's a break and the person goes back, that's what you're explaining here, and affect your application. So Chaudhry case here, I'm publishing this week here. A typical example, say, possible, say, even if there's a breaker, you can still get your leave to remain to stay in the country.
Yo, lawyer, with a follow-up question be Abba, and then Yankona Yenti, na
That's a pass a lawyer answer me. Patron me na me bisa household question no. Me patron me that's a pass a lawyer answer me. Na me patron me na me bisa household question no. Me patron me that's a pass a lawyer answer me. Na me patron e dan no ono na okwaje ye. Ono na bibia woni dim on etua council tax any bibia me de me peche me ne me ma no epeche wo room baako will feel honum as or support me with accommodation. Intina na maybe say ebia bisa ne bank statement. I was send the bank statement in account one. Me da sepa. Thank you.
Yo say nipa no na support you. Na nipa no ye happy say or then a bank statement ebe ka ho aye application for fee waiver na any problem. Yenya yenim say nkofo bebre wo ho no ma unya aka chom some form of bank statement embra pe accept. And the most important thing in this situation is nipa no wow one na all accommodation or support with accommodation into the necessarily say the person eyi sika fi ni pocket edit to aduane ma and also yi ni sika fi ni pocket edit to more household needs more. All that the person has done is say will provide accommodation. I believe strongly say even if I know it's me extra statement to that effect say the only supporter or the amount of accommodation and non kwano will suffice and non kwano will be enough and when you say or then a bedding but the nipa ni wailing and very happy to the bank statement look home there nafa application. The only concern I have with that situation is a bank statement in the na ebia sa nipa no o sika kakra e won bank account mo and based on that the Home Office will conclude say nipa na all boa with accommodation. It looks like sika kakra on account nti adenti na ontini emboa with paying the fees and other expenses that you may incur. No? Meanwhile, no, the person is not willing to do that. The only thing the person is willing to do help with accommodation. I think we need to look at all the scenario and make sure we can advise properly. My advice on the Bema in your ban is after the program, OG number na frame na you go through other documentation or application for fee waiver, and then we can give you a proper detailed advice as to the best way we'll be approaching it.
Yo, lawyer, I'm say you can't fee waiver no, and it's not dean come over so can but maybe I quite and also but quickly no. Now Obi Bisa say you can't waive that. Does it mean say you free ana?
You can't say waive that, then it means to say you free. went yeah because Sikano say when I free so what me saying. But I must also add say the omode guidance abana or my church mono. Possible say obi wo hono ma ye bem we parts nso ama ye hwe na ebia kodwomenu sika na ode baaye no endorse no ba ye hwe a obetimi tua at least home office fees no ba ontimi tua NHS fees na and also ye possible I don't know more friend partial fee waiver into obetimi offer partial fee waiver na we tua bi na we jabi and also no ebeboa den ye beka sana say bi mbeka seketu bia enso into how circumstance now and I think say it may be worth it say obey application especially omunya and krata omoya application for the first time because there most of them don't even have bank statements now they make a chance for them to show some kind of money most of them will be able to show say indeed they don't have to be able to apply make that application into a very very important step advantage of.
Yo, make I say legal hour time, and it goes way. Which means so Afrayan was 0203 735 8820, and I said 020 3286 0185. Your WhatsApp number and so 0778 793 9958. We'll call your website mygnradiouk.com. So your sounds on Facebook. And I will TUNEIN and I will YouTube and so wait me who a lawyer say any train common. Makacho so call YouTube and so more than subscribe. We'll subscribe here. We'll Fred GN Radio UK. I'm special a BB Edemau Tibomodian GN Radio UK and our Suguswa Uti lawyer. Na young call your second topic na answer na me a questions at what was so Eddie Aba.
Yo, me da si bebre Dr. Ren. Second topic, the way I used to inquire the year application, and over the years, say the most popular way I'm for the year of the fact that Wawuba Chrome say or Wuba Chrome say any parental responsibility. He makes an application on that basis, not Odenya and Krata, not Oko. But what we feel, and I said, what we haven't taken notice of, and I said, have not explored for most individuals, especially step parents of children. Obi ohonoma na ne ho kafo or nene ewo or but onone ankasa de oneni pa na enwe enti no abe step parents of that person. No application a little bit complicated, but it is possible, say, if you have the right legal advice and the right people to support you and assist you with the type of evidence that you need to provide. Because, say, we expect more than simply say, what the Akwalani school, now Kofanifi school, there be. We want more than that. Sometimes, it may be important to get court orders. It may be important to be able to obtain certain more substantial documentation to support the application. But I will encourage you to say a kind that put me a similar application. And there's also a way, say, if you are a grandparent of a child in the UK, with me a year application using that grandchild, if you are able to obtain certain court orders from the family court, now I just say and also avenues are a bit more omo maame ne omo papa omo abetina krom ha se ya omo immigration situation abeye bibia ewo ho omo hu kwan ombefa so na omo dey rectify that problem. Meanwhile the only reason why ne maame and ne papa na ewo ha se is the fact say oboa ne ma ne hwe ne ba ewo krom ha se. If that is the situation that you find yourself now you say you look out, explore other avenues, and I said the options say over obtaining some of these court orders. And now it's media year application at home office. Sometimes we apart from say Ubenya court orders, we are able to we instruct independent social workers. Now with me am I reports I the those type of application. If you all know see the word social worker pen and yemo action, say hey social worker dem me ba some questions they able me cause problems among me. What people need to understand, they say when lawyers say they are instructing social workers, we do not go to the local authority and tell them, prepare a report for me and now say come and look into this matter for me. No, most of the time when we are instructing social workers, we instruct independent social workers who do not necessarily work for the local authority. Until they are independent minded, they will come, they will look at your circumstances. And afraid will be section 55 report. Independent how the welfare of that child can be enhanced if the application and man a successful. For instance, my name is Papa Neti. Papa eboa edememba eko school ekofa memba efi school eba fie. The reason why he does that is ebia most times mini fie ebi on ma me 2 point ebi on my juma dem ekwa ha dem akwa ha. It is important for that child he has a stable family to remain with whenever I'm not available. And as if mini hokra mpona Arabia na bibisa, somebody who will be able to take those important decisions for that child. When that is my situation, it is possible say my papa no me I just report the dia my papa no na media boa edia application ama sani pano. Until what I'm trying to say is there are circumstances that people can take advantage of and make applications. And yet every day, we have the one-way route. Because when we near fast to the year and crata, when we near fast to the year and crata, obi ohonuma or tin crata no so dada, but onim kwan obe fast one as obe use. So we encourage people say, look, ohonumna unim say situation, obetimi aye application, and as I want to mean application. It's worth it. Say you will take a phone, make a call, speak to us, and then we'll look at your personal circumstances and see how best we can assist.
Your lawyer, John Kuma, or say, CCR na OT na what is it, or say there are other ways, obetimi apply for Nkrata and Kostra, obetimi as summarizing Amano, because if you say, what try other means be as what they and maybe ever Ghana eba. Na afenso so ne namfo bi so e wo Ghana on person back room na kwese ni nyina no about visit ni opeso ba ekwan foforo ben na wo so na otie but CCR na what tuning to know obesha was sanka bi so
John Kuma elite kakra na ye ka amanfo mo krum ha say dada ombeso omunya enkrata enyomo amu amanone ombeso mo joining amanone de ebia yebepe next week because more detail the kind startup visas student visas other options are available for omo amanone ombeso mo back ni mu hana be person metume na ma cheche mu but John Kuma say uhia any assistance your number no etuga ohwe so your number no wo. So UTM so the number oh dear friend after the program no I'll be more than happy to look at Bunyam and say we'll bush you for now mobile then I can advise you on other options the avenues are available to them on betting take advantage of.
Chum so say me busa say nenti apart from our rare no any say obey dependent ama the agent card and say kwan foforo bebre so ewo ho.
Oh yes, kwan foforo bebre ewo honom na we better say obey ya ware me dey better say apart from so obey ware no and I say obey wo ba no there are other options ewo ho even though other options no na nkofo empese we say obia no nipa de ye pedia we want certainty, okay, and if you are going through other routes now sometimes they can be a little bit complicated, but sometimes it's a risk which is worth taking. So long as while we follow the right processes, now the right evidence, there are other options. You may be a stepfather, you may be a stepmother of a child. It may be possible say with me higher application based on that relationship now one be grandpa now a grandparent of that person and that child waiting me to take advantage. A be now a medical condition be and based on some medical condition which may Article 3 application now I successful. Now saying so Article 3 may use point way so threshold and for the application was very, very high. But recent case law, I reduce the threshold number from kakra. Into all medical conditions, you honor now Ghana and as a treatment, and I say it's very, very, very likely say will because of the level of treatment and honor. Possible so it's my Article 3 application. And also near common application, but it is there. People need to be aware, say binyama kakra kiti or honor, David can take advantage of media Omokrata Elkum Hase.
Yo, we dey na chese Nathaniel ana Lesbo ene Kofi Nyanyo. I say kudos yeda lawyers say wo church and assembly mu. I just say ono ewo step san ye woni nkrata yi ne yire no ebetumi abomodin afaso e de age nkrata de amano.
Oh yes, ebetumi afa so e de nya nkrata inti no mesrewa after the program no obetumi afre. We are here to help and we'll take you through all the documentation for the bar, everything, our application, ISSS form.
We the Lesbo, we the lawyer say, but more than na free to be friends so dia na make I will say lawyer one more telephone numbers that wait me a friend no ABA 020 3325 7030 and I say open one more 24-hour numbers. So bet me afre 078 33 34 4411. Tibomodi ana afre number C. Bet me so afre was 079 44 97 6161. Mr. Wa ewe hu be hia papa send ya bring ni anu so ye hia personal ye doctors no e hu be hia se obewo lawyer sa sembi eto I'll bet me a charge. Timami seat number SBM 07944976161. You know my work Ghana so some fra. Now mo de plus 44 ashe anymore. And Timomo de anebe plus 447944976161. Na momo mo de anamo emfre na lawyer eni mo enini enkomo. Lawyer ansana ebe free anokra no and I know that will be enemy din come say we heard the way ye boy adwuma lawyer boy adwuma we sisu say ogidi zuzo say ye fan Fortwell Solicitors wo mo boy adwuma papa ntino wo se memfa sa akonya yi na memfa asida kese na ombese oboni din because what the client we or recommend you obi ma na wonam so ama nipa krono ensa aka nkrata na ekwan a nipa krono ensa aka nkrata de no nim se ono angasa ye lawyer o but no gidi se enye yi enti nipa krono ba no no ono angasa recommend ye de ma wo na inshanka nyame se wanam Fortwell Solicitors so aboa ama na nya nkrata ntino menka nkyere we na se wodase na ni din de o se ma membo
yo anonymous person yes does say unya confidence ewo yemu na oma recommend you be my ejuma ema no me use that kind way so I'm a TF fashion so say we do our best for every client that we get most times if it is possible we will do everything possible to make sure say we need case an answer very successful amount. The few occasions are any possible, so we tell people say, look, for application any possible because we believe important say people get the good client care. If you are a vulnerable position, what you don't want to say you will take advantage of because anytime you come to us and you remember fair assessment of your case. If possible, you be catch or any possible, you be catch. Then you yourself and you make your mind up as to whether say you want to proceed with it. But I encourage people say it doesn't take a lot to just give us a call and speak to us about the situation. We have so many lawyers in this house who will be ready to assist you. As a be a person who can you come.
Yo, lawyer, wait there, me jam na kuna obi busa question say, but then and brother, I'll say please lawyer, how can my brother apply tourist visa from Ghana?
Oh, tourist visa need the no call appendix 5, okay? And that's appendix V or immigration rules anymore, and it states clearly some of the things people are expected to be able to meet to be able to make that application, you know. And sometimes, you know, the biggest mistake I hear our tourist visa say we are not able to show say nipa neba. You know, say open say Uber has for tourism. Then we expect to say you have some level of income that you are able to show. Say this is where my income is coming from. Yeah, not mistakes about those type of application, you know, because on my audience say that can say or so sika kakra ne pen before the application but to know akofa sika boom not the bank account mu not the akotro mu omo so munya hu say cash kakra abeda account mu a any evidence or an access source now when you find trap no mo say something dodgy is going on not based straight away mo dey refuse you and then the currency is very 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 key. So all your application now you need to be very honest with your personal circumstances and shows anything. Don't verify fake document. You know, and say time kakra ABTM, but say or per further details, ABA next specific circumstances, any the type of documents or the back one. Men encouraging this or be friend. For instance, Obia or ye Juma Emane home, or self-employed or Ghana, a application. It will be different from the type of from Obia or ye Juma because of the documents or the back sharing. You know, ye new and say be a friend after the program. No, I will be more than happy to say make mau acquaint share where any documents I'm waiting to use to add yes tourist visa. No. I must add say when it comes to tourist visa applications, most of the time, you know, we do not want to do it for people. But if it's more advice to say we use to document A, B, C, D, wow. But so one person why your application for tourist visa, we are more than happy to say you be challenging that decision and that decision. You know, over the years, you know, we've done it for so many people. On application I successful with me about chronim. Into say one kasa na we bia na obi a unim no aye application so over UK may refuse. You know, if the refusal is within the last 3 months, it's important so with me contact here and we'll be more than happy to say you be challenging that refusal if the decision is not right.
Yo, any bomodin na answer na mema lawyer edin in telephone number no atuja no na promise bomodin na TNE na tumi frɛ na frɛ lawyer na ono won twetwe nkomo no ntimi emwa ti lawyer we dey answer na meja on kra no ne kra na dia na wo ma etiefo a wo mo hwɛ ne ahwɛfo a mo hwɛ na to hwɛ nana France nana ago by John Gresham so by Prophetess Christy Jamefi and ono so ebeka ho Docas Akwan so beka ye ho hwɛ Don Steve so beka ye ho this year bana na kwaku ono so hwɛ ye san so na Tio Alote Papu ono so kan ye promise and so by to say edini de do so maybe samoa and so say share enti next week and Sunday be no lawyer the kwakra no ade na wo ede ma ye na afei with the numbers no any details ni na atudwa.
Yo, the crack no mema etie for at Fortwell Solicitors, immigration. Anything immigration, self as all court of view, person call hefa. Any court be a person could be we are qualified to be able to assist you with that process. In immigration detention cases, bail application, judicial review, point-based businesses on person of offer. All these things, you know, we specialize in them and we do very well in them. We have one of the biggest clients. We have a lot of corporate organizations that we manage their systems for them, and we've succeeded in doing a very good job for them. Today, when it comes to reputation in that field, media, nobody comes close to where we've been able to achieve when it comes to corporate immigration. Private immigration, also, no, we are doing very well. Human rights application, no matter what circumstance, overstayer, long stay. No matter be out the bar, asylum applications. And apart from that, wills and probate are one of the biggest upcoming departments I would like to be aware of. So one was ultra will who are a biasima to any now paperwork and wow now I know offer a bit employment law, civil litigation. those areas also yeah different. So who pay yeah walk Honzi station. The sound so a bank Temper Clean Station and as a Woodbury Station. Who frame the address on every mount. Who person who frame ya? My number is 079 449 76161. Number ni biom 079 449 76161. Frame a number and anytime during working hours, which is 9:30 to 5:30. We'll be more than happy to say they will take you call. If a outside office emergency, they can say emergency, we mean say ya chill, police for a chill, immigration for a chill, and when an emergency. Now, friend, we message one of us will get back to you and try and assist you. Yeah, we are available for you. We are open for business. Offices are secured. We've done it in such a way say you feel that you are safe with this COVID environment that we find ourselves. Until we are ready for business and we are here to help clients.
Yo, lawyer, and a pay you better was now can wills and probate lawyer dear. Nene ya COVID-19 AD we didn't pay query. Na me say adofo ehwe yan woman so tie yen. Ebe hia say mobile modiana my friend lawyer. Ewo eye telephone number CI de atudwe. Eye 0203 eye 325 7030 020 3325 7030 eye office line eye Fortwell Solicitors. But Modiana Frey. Sansu and Abetimi Frey 079 4479. Let's say my main C number needs to be 079 44976161. And lawyer say we friend a working hours or Modiana or no muno asa and what train come. Number no so Abetimi Frey house emra sebio abain and sa so mo. Modiana Frey ultimately leave voice note lawyer say the team ebe mo de aba no ma baba bebo numbers no 079 33 34 4411 I mean CCB me 079 33 34 411 that's modia na free number no of course and so joining of course the afia ya lawyer free so na course part so waba but modia na next time akọ na brand tem ni education komo the lawyer ebe da ase.
Yo, me da say Dr. Rain, you make us next week.
Yo, COVID-19 idea, the asidake se my lawyer so say your friend no so buy no aba church and say mo. Wills and probate na ehu hia papa. And then winning baby asebio assemble to na we ada. Ntina bomodian Wills na ye tentem lawyer Fortwell Solicitors or bomodian boa na wa ye ni nyina. Anopenso ye da se mo amutie yen. Yes, of course.